Hello everyone. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Welcome to my online tutorials, where I give you the insight on emerging technological issues affecting matters in education. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Subscription is free. You won't be charged anything. Instead, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome and keep on learning.
Click on Complete Appraisal, or you can move down and click on Start Appraisals. You'll be taken to the following dashboard, or rather window. Now scroll down until you get to the current appraisal, which is in progress, and it is this one. Click on Proceed to Appraisal. Once you are there, you can see my Tpad. It is at 99% completion. I still have one area which is not yet done, and it is under Learners Progress. So I will click to update the Learners Progress. Now under the Learners Progress, you can update the progress for regular learners, the CBC, SNE, those who have hearing impaired, visually impaired, and physically handicapped. You have a second category of the SNE learners who are mentally handicapped, and then we have deaf and blind. So I'll show you how to update for regular learners. Now I'll select regular learners. Once I'm there, I'll click on Set Targets. The following dialog box will pop up. Select the class you want to set the targets for. In this case, I'll be setting the targets for class 5. The subject will be science. And then my target mean, I'll put there 56, then I'll save. I'll set another one, click there, come back to regular learners, then set the targets. In this case, it will be class 8. The subject is mathematics, mean score, target, I'll put there 50, and then save. Records, I'll also set, and click there, come back, set a target for class 7. That should be mathematics, mean score, I'll key there 50, then click on Save. So you can see the targets have been set. Science, we have target mean is there 56, mathematics 28, target mean 50, mathematics class 7, target mean is 50. Now to set or to enter the current term mean, we'll come back here and update. Update, click on update, then I'll key in their current mean. Current mean. click on save. save. And also scroll down. Sorry, I've entered a wrong mean for the class. So I'll key in click on save. So you have to click there, come back for you to reveal the mean scores. I will update the one for class 7. Click on save. Once you are done, click on back to appraisal. It's not responding. Now, for you to submit your appraisal, you go to view, submit for appraisal. Just scroll down. If you are using your phone, scroll down. You'll see this tab. Click on it. Then we have appraisal summary view. You can see the appraisal is here. The teaching standards have been updated. So I want to submit for the appraiser to appraise me, and then finally we shall have agreed weight. So I have the appraisee weight, don't have the appraiser weight until I submit my appraisal for Appraiser Appraisals. Learner's progress has been already entered. Then we have the lessons attendance. We have been updated accordingly. So I've clicked on submit for the first time. So I'll scroll down. Then we have this tab or button, submit for appraisal. I'll click on it. Then we have appraisee's appraisal comment. I'll key it. I'll type there. Then, how was your self-assessment process? So it was a little bit fair. Then you have a declaration. So you select any of the three basing on the assessment process, and then come down, you have a declaration. I declare that the information provided during this appraisal assessment is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. So check that box, then hit submit. So your appraisal has been submitted. Has been submitted. that is it. Thank you for watching. See you next. Bye.
I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share. Above all, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell on so that you don't miss out on my upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye.